In another bit of silly season news for next year, 2023, Jordan Smith has signed with Star Racing Yamaha to race both the Supercross and Motocross series. Obviously, recently he has had some injury problems, going from his first team with Troy Lee Designs, then going to Monster Energy Pro Circuit, where he again was injured, then signing with last year, obviously racing for the Australian-based Firepower Honda. So the question becomes, he's back on a full factory team, obviously the Yamaha being a very good factory team at that. Will he stay injury-free? Will he be injury-prone as he has been before? And it's pretty bad if you look at the actual Yamaha post for this, the Star Racing post for this. It's split 50-50 of people saying, good job, Jordan, or also just like, Enzo Lopes everywhere. So apparently a lot of people really don't want him on the team. Again, it's another guy who's been shown to be very injury prone, getting a factory ride when there are other riders who are proven to be faster at the moment and with less injury problems. But whatever it is, you tell me in the comments below. Do you think he's going to do well next year in motocross or supercross or both, whatever it is? Or is he going to get injured and just be, another failed year for somebody? But tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.